In this video, I will be showing you how to change Facebook page name on mobile. First, launch your Facebook application, click your profile, scroll down and look for pages. So as you can see, I have lots of pages here, and in order for me to change their names, I just need to select one. So I switch profile to one of my Facebook pages, and here it is. Now all I need to do is to click this three vertical lines here and then go to my profile. So here in my profile, all I need to do is to click settings, and then under settings, we have here page settings. Click this one, and here you are under personal information. You can see name, click, and then yes, you can change your name here. So let's just say I want to change this to online teaching services. Once done, click review change. And then to continue, I need to type my password. So once done, click save changes. And there you go. You have changed your Facebook page name. In order to clarify or to review this one, go back, refresh, and see that your Facebook page name has changed. And if you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.